Today guys, pag-uusapan natin isa sa mga budget series na nilabas ni POCO. And nandito sa ating table is the POCO C40. It's a really latest phone na nilabas ni POCO. And itong phone na ito is targeted sa mga budget consumers na gusto may kunting sipa na performance ang kanilang makukuha na phone. Tignan natin kung kaya bigay ni POCO C40 ang hinahanap nyo. Tara, buksan natin. So hi guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. Ito ang quick unboxing ng POCO C40. So upon opening ng box, makita natin it's really simple. Wala na siyang sleeve, and outright meron siya isang maliit na box, and sa loob is a lot of documentation na medyo makapal. So wala siyang jelly case this time around, and meron siyang pin ejector pin. Inside the box, meron siyang Type-C cable at meron din siya isang 10 watts na charger. But this phone can support up to 80 watts of fast charging, by the way. So, hawak na natin ang phone. This phone has a dual camera setup sa likod. It has a 13MP na main lens and 2MP na depth sensor. Sa ibaba, makita natin ang kanyang audio jack. Sa ilalim, kanyang microphone, Type-C port, and of course, ang kanyang loudspeaker. Kabilang side, meron siyang power button and volume locker. And sa isa pang kabilang side, meron siyang SIM tray. Pag sinundot at hinugot, kita natin 3-4 slot. Remember, 4G lang capable itong phone nito. Sa harap ang kanyang 5MP na front-facing camera. Nakalimutan ko, sa likod pala ang kanyang fingerprint scanner. Ganito mag-unlock. And so one thing na napansin ko dito sa phone nito is malaki ang kanyang screen. Medyo pahaba siya, no? It's a 6.71 na IPS LCD. It also supports a dot drop display na medyo outdated na 2022 na teardrop glass pa rin siya. And sa ilalim, medyo makapal nga lang kanyang baba, hindi masyado symmetrical sa kanyang side. Ang kanyang resolution dito sa phone nito is 1650 by 720, and this one also supports standard display and reading mode. So pag dinap mo menu, ito mga makikita mo. Out of the box, makita natin may mga kunting bloatwares na siya install, and these are the bloatwares na kasama sa kanya. Smooth naman kanyang transition from left to right, up and down. Wala namang maging problema since it's just a simple 60Hz screen refresh rate, but well, hindi namang naiiwan ang kanyang performance. One of the main selling point nitong phone nito is malaki ang kanyang battery. 6,000 mAh ang kanyang battery, and it supports up to 18 watts of fast charging. Too bad nga lang, kailangan mo bumili ng separate na 80 watts charger if you want to charge it faster, dahil sa loob ng kanyang box, it only includes a 10 watts charger. Fortunately, meron tayong 18 watts charger dito sa bahay na galing kay Xiaomi, and it was able to charge this phone within 3 hours from 19 to 100. So meaning, if you're using a 10 watts charger, it's a lot longer. Maybe 4 hours kulang-kulang abutin pa yan dahil it's really slow using a 10 watts charger. I know. One of the things na gusto ko dito sa phone nito is makuna ng kanyang battery. It can last me for roughly 17 hours and 30 minutes on its screen on time. So meaning, halos 18 hours kulang-kulang na naka-on ang phone mo, on ang screen mo, kayang-kaya na ito phone nito. Wala kang problema. Even though na malaki ko ng screen, it's very fast. On my testing nito phone nito, sa average, it can last me for 2 days. It means that on normal usage like, of course, social media, watching some videos, playing some lighting, hindi heavy games, it can last me for 2 days. Meaning, makunat nga talaga ang battery nito phone nito. Now, may kukwento ko sa inyo bago. Now, this phone is equipped with a new processor na basically hindi ko siya kilala. It's a JLQ na JR510. Honestly, I haven't really heard of this brand, JLQ. And based on my research, it's a Shanghai-based company making chips na, of course, sa mga AIoT, and it's a semiconductor manufacturer founded in 2017. And surprisingly, one of their founders is from Qualcomm. So probably na-outsource nila mga chips na from Qualcomm. And this JLQ JR510 is said na may performance equivalent sa MediaTek na G35 or Qualcomm Snapdragon equivalent na 450. Ang phone na ito is packed with a 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And the performance na binigay sila ng Antutu Benchmark 9.4.2 is 120p. Which is, well, more or less nasa tama nga siya, nasa G35 na performance at G35. So, hindi masyado nagkakalayo since ang target nito is mga nasa budget range na smartphone. Now, upon opening some apps, I can see snappy naman siya. But some other apps na medyo mas mabigat, it's a little bit hard opening, lalo si PC Mark. It takes quite a while to load the app, but the other app na medyo light, like Chrome, and like YouTube, mabilis naman yung load. Now, before we talk about yung kanyang camera performance and kanyang gaming performance, I would like to switch over my mic to this one, the Maono WM820. And it's a wireless mic na probably would be good if you are a content creator and if you want to ditch all those wires to record videos just like this. This is probably a great investment. So we have here the receiver and the transmitter. It's easy to use dahil lahat ng details kanya and Type-C ang kanyang charging port. May clips sa likod, so easy to attach. Sa transmitter, andito lahat ng kanyang buttons, mute, and other functions na gusto nila mag-use. Andito ang kanyang microphone, but you can also attach the lavalier mic. Everything is being provided naman out of the box, so wala kang problem. Turn on natin para matry natin. So attach ko lang ang external na lavalier mic. From this point on until the end of the video, the sound will be recorded on Maono WM820.
And so back to business. Right now we're recording using the Maono WM820 and I hope that the sound has improved. So we'll be checking it out a little bit later through the end of this video. So right now, hawak na natin yung phone. All I can see na this phone is halos fox leather na kanyang back finish. Alam ko na plastic siya, but yung feel niya is parang ginawa niya ala leatherette, no? Which is parang niragdagan niya ng konting premiumness ang back feel niya, which for me, okay ang kanyang hawak. And what I like is hindi siya fingerprint magnet like other mga POCO phones. This one is okay, smooth, but wala siyang fingerprints. I believe that this phone would go out mas okay kahit wala siyang case. And what I like about kanya is sobrang nipis ang kanyang camera bump. Halos wala o halos pantay. So pag nilapag mo siya sa table, wala, hindi siya nagwo-wobble kahit anong gawin mo. Probably one of the treat na gusto ko dito sa phone nito is watching videos. I know na many of us watch a lot of videos sa kanyang smartphones, sa YouTube, sa Netflix, and having a big screen like this one, 6.71 inch from the POCO C40, it gives me that good experience watching video dito dahil sa sobrang laki ng kanyang screen. Probably the sad news na mabibigay ko sa inyo is level 3 lang kanyang security level, but of course, you don't expect too much from a budget phone like this. Now, watching videos dito sa phone na ito is okay. I wouldn't say that it's probably the best experience on a big phone like this, but I can say average siya. You can watch it, of course, mag-enjoy ka. Under the sunlight, I can say okay naman siya dahil meron naman siya sunlight display. So, meaning, when you're under the sunlight, makakabasa ka pa rin at makakanood ka pa rin ng video. Testing ang kanyang loudspeaker, okay siya, no? Medyo malakas naman siya, but not to the point na kasing lakas ng stereo speaker. Dahil iisa lang ang kanyang speaker dito sa ilalim. If you want better sounds sa Spotify, sa YouTube, or sa playing games, I would recommend that you utilize and maximize itong audio jack na nandito pa sa ibabaw niya. Playing some games dito sa phone na ito, I can say na average ang kanyang gaming. I wouldn't say na sobrang ganda ang kanyang gaming performance dahil halos G35 lang ang kanyang katapat. So, well, entry level na gaming, it can play Call of Duty Mobile but medyo low settings ang kailangan mo ilagay para medyo hindi masyado maraming frame drops, hindi masyado maraming lag sa mangyayari sa gameplay mo. So, medyo mas smooth kunti. But overall, I can say, okay lang naman ng gaming dito. Well, don't expect too much sa kanang gaming dahil pag hinay settings yun, medyo madidismaya kayo dahil medyo frequent ang frame drops talaga dito sa phone na ito. Now, moving over sa kanang camera, I can say na it has a 13MP na main camera sensor, 2MP na depth sensor, and of course, 5MP na front camera. So, taking some shots outdoors, I can say I was able to take in some nice shots and some really decent shots naman. One of the things na medyo nahirapan ako dito sa phone nito is focus. It was having a little bit hard time to focus. So, medyo slow ang focus ng camera niya. But kung nakapag-focus naman siya, mabilis naman siya mag-snap. But yung focusing niya, nag-a-adjust ang kanyang camera, medyo takes a little bit of a 1 to 2 seconds bago siya nakapag-focus. Unlike mga camera of the mid-range, medyo mas mabilis mag-focus, but this one, medyo nahirapan siya ng konti. But overall, the shots outdoors, okay. Some of the shots indoors are okay, and some of them are not so okay. I was able to take in some shots na bokeh sa indoor, but hindi ko masyado trip ang kanyang pagka-bokeh dahil medyo, let's say, na hindi ganun ka-creamy ang kanyang bokeh. So, overall, I wouldn't really want to use a kind of bokeh sensor, but just use the regular camera lens, okay na siya. Now, taking some selfie shots, I can see na medyo in-enhance niya ang lightings nitong front-facing camera. So, some of my shots are medyo namumuti ako, even though na hindi naman ganun kaliwanag. So, ina-adjust niya yung camera into taking some brighter shots, indoor, outdoor, napapansin ko. But on some occasion, pag medyo madilim nga rin siya. Like this one. Guys, what can I say about the POCO C40? For me, it's a good budget phone if you're looking for a backup phone. So after recording with this Maono WM820, I can see that the sound seems to be a little bit nicer. It's a little bit softer. And I can see that the noise cancelling is a little bit better of my surrounding. And this is very handy to carry out. All I need to do is just put this one on my back and of course attach this lavalier mic. And the other one, I just simply need to attach it to my camera or my smartphone like this. And if you're a content creator like me, you might want to try to use this one, the Maono WM820. Link on the description below. And if you are really on a tight budget and you want a good performing phone na, well, at this price point, the POCO C40 is a good investment to have. But if you're looking for something more like a better camera, like a better gaming experience, this one probably isn't the one for you. This phone has two configurations. It has a 332 gigs of storage with a price point of 6,499 pesos. And it has a 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage with a price point of 7,499 pesos. It comes in three colors. You have the black, the green, and the yellow. The yellow kind of looks cool. Now guys, upcoming ng Lazada 88 Grand Voucher Sale. It's happening from August 8 to 12. And with fast and free shipping discount vouchers and stack up to 6 stackable na discount. Imagine, pwede mo ipatong-patong to mga to, no? Free shipping, 50% cashback, 10% Lazada bonus, campaign voucher, sellers vouchers, and bank partner voucher. Imagine, ang laki na matitipid nyo dito, no? And of course, guys, this phone is also included sa August 8 na Lazada Grand Voucher Sale. So I'll be posting the link on the description below. Now, if you guys want to try one of these, you can check the link on the description below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here on my channel. And so, I'm Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?